Hello, so I am going to show you how to enter in an extension in Proficient Tax Pro for your client. So from here, you're going to go to Client Search and you're going to find your client if you have not already put them in. So my client is already in, so all I will have to do is go in and find my client to file their extension. So if they're not listed into the software, you're going to need their basic information, which is their social security number, their first, middle initial, and last name, and then you're going to need to know their address. And once you have all that information in, you'll be able to move forward on your filing the extension for your client. So up here on the left hand side, you're going to have a search bar, and you can type in the number of the form for an extension. It is 4868. And then once you type that number in, it's going to automatically pop up this little gray box. And if you click it, it will take you directly to the application. So here's the information you will need to list to go ahead and file an extension for the client. Now, sometimes we don't always know the liability for the total taxes because we have not configured their return. So sometimes people put in numbers here if they know, and then majority of the time, if you don't know, I just put zeros because you can't leave it blank. And then that way it will be able to bypass. So when you file the extension, you guys can go ahead and put in the correct information. So we're going to put 0 here again and hit continue. And so now the application has been completed. So in order to file it, you're going to go down to e-file. And you should see application for extension found. What would you like to do? So if you would like to make changes, you can click this button. If you would like to file the extension, you would click this button. So make sure you're clicking the file the extension button. And then this is the file the return. So if you click this button, it actually files the return. So we're going to go ahead and click file extension. And then it's going to ask you a submit extension question. It's just letting you know that when you click the continue, it will be processed at our service for an extension. It will still be your responsibility to pay the balance due by Monday, April the 18th of 2022. So basically, you just need to let your client know that the extension will be filed on your behalf, but they are still responsible for any taxes paid or that need to be paid moving forward. And then once you hit continue, the extension will be filed. And then this is your review. You'll be able to put in your PIN. So this is a PIN that you guys created when you set up your software. And then you're going to put, I have reviewed the information to consent and disclose, and you're going to hit continue. Congratulations, this confirmation, we have successfully received your Form 4868 application. So that is how you file a extension. Thank you guys for watching.